So a quick recap before we create this visualization. Actually, I'm gonna be comfortable. We're gonna do a little bit more than what my note says because this is fun. So we have our three variables: artist, danceability, and energy. We know that we want to look at the relationship between energy and danceability for Dua Lipa, because Dua Lipa versus Billie Eilish. And let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I'm exit out the solutions. Okay, so here, when it comes to creating this visualization, I believe this is our first time maybe doing a scatter plot, but first time for everything. So what we're going to do is utilize the Dua Lipa Billie Eilish data frame. We're going to pipe this into what function? Since we're creating a visualization, ggplot. Okay, ggplot, and then we're going to utilize the AES function. I got ahead of myself. AES function for aesthetics, and say x is equal to energy. Let's say energy is causing the danceability, I guess. Energy is how you spell it. Comma y is then equal to danceability. Okay, plus, okay, because we're adding layers. Geom point. Okay, this is going to be very, very boring looking, but it's important for us to do this. Okay, so we see this thing. Some of the things to note, which I already have experience with, is that one of the huge things is that energy is in between 0 and 1. Danceability is in between 0 and 1. How they measure danceability and energy, I don't know. But we're going to go with these values that Spotify has given us. But you can notice that you don't know who is what artist. And so what we're going to do is specify that delineation. Okay, so we're going to say color is equal to artist name, and then run this. And now we can see the difference. So Dua Lipa is turquoise and Billie Eilish is pink. Okay, so I need those. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a layer regarding this X and Y limit, with X and Y axis, like I just mentioned, so that the reader of the plot knows what's the lowest and max of both the X and the Y regarding energy. Oh, I messed up. Regarding energy and danceability, Y lim is going to be from 0 to 1 to 1. Okay. That looks a little bit different, okay? And then what I'm going to also do is add some titles, some labels. Again, my order of logic slabs is that we won't discuss that in this hackathon, but there is a reason to how I'm ordering what I'm doing in the actual visualization. Okay, Y is equal to danceability, dance, capital D, can't, danceability, okay? And then what we'll say is that title is equal to, I'm just gonna, Dua Lipa, typing is half of the video, huh? Where am I typing? Okay, right there. Let me move my cursor back. Dua Lipa versus Dua Lipa and Billie Eilish. Now I know that's what the name is now. Songs. Danceability and energy. Danceability and energy. This is not gonna look good, okay? Versus energy. And I'm gonna run it, and I'm gonna then, so we can see it doesn't look too good. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, because then when I do this, when I add that layer, the layer for to make it a little cleaner, the custom, oh, this is gonna look bad, right? You can see it runs off. So what I can do is I can actually do a new line. Let's say after songs. I'm pretty sure I touched all that already. \n, and now it looks a little bit cleaner. Okay. So that is that. When it comes to making it look a little bit cleaner, a little bit more specification. So like I'm arbitrarily saying 0.5 is in the middle, and I'm arbitrarily defining what 0.5 is for both danceability and energy. So above 0.5, high energy. Below 0.5 for energy is low energy, right? Same thing with regards to danceability. So it would be nice to actually have those vertical and horizontal line for 0.5 shown on our visualization. How do we do that? So we do that by utilizing, and watch where I put the geom in my answer key. Oh yeah, I'm consistent with my answer key. Geom, V line for vertical line is going to be what? X-intercept or Y-intercept? Should be x-intercept, right? X-intercept is equal to 0.5. Let's see what this does. So now you can see that vertical line at 0.5, and then do it again. And I'll let you all see it. Geom, horizontal line, okay? And it's going to be y-intercept this time. And this is going to be equal to 0.5, then add, then boom. There we have our visualization. So you can see that high energy, high danceability is Dua Lipa. That's definitely her songs. However, low energy, but some of them are danceable. Because I don't know Billie Eilish, that's why. But interesting. We're learning a lot here. Well, thank you again for watching the video. Really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.